We're gonna attempt to do the second one. The first one was hard to put on. It was being a little bitch. Hopefully now that we found the trick, we'll know how to do it. Not bad. Pretty good. Qué maldita exageración.
Ahora en el verano son anchas de una vez.
Wow.
Nomás lo que les ruego que no venga pinchada.
Yo, did you see this? Crazy. And look at that air. Fuck. No more 100 miles. No more 100 miles per hour. I can only do 20.
Nah, you can do like 70 tops, son.
Yo.
I told Leo that when he replaces these tires, que le ponga 235s in the back. Yeah. 235s, the stretch won't be that crazy. That's a crazy.
Let me give you guys a nice overview of what. Fuck. Hold on. This is what they look like. This is what the stretch is looking like. I got the 215/35s. Federals. Alright guys, now it's time to put them on. Oh yes. Face down, ass up. The moment of truth. Ay. Yo, esto parece un truck. It looks like a truck.
What?
Parece un truck.
Oh.
Oh my god. Look, everyone. Holy shit. This is hilarious. Oh yeah. Looking tough. Yo, this is crazy. Let's get a rear view on the. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see, here we have it. Becky's new rims. They're looking crazy. Now let's just check and see how it drives. Of course, I'm gonna be the one first to test it out.